Have you ever wondered? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Inquisitive Creation. My name is Gilo, and I will be your trusted companion to explain things you ever wondered about but does not exactly know what they are. Today, we're delving into one of the most critical topics in modern medicine, the deadly disease we refer to as cancer. From its mysterious beginnings to the latest strides in research and treatment, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this enlightening journey together. First things first, let's break down what cancer really is. Imagine your body as a bustling metropolis with cells as the hard-working citizens. Normally, these cells grow, divide, and eventually die off in a carefully regulated manner, keeping everything in balance. However, sometimes a rogue cell decides to go off script. This rogue cell undergoes changes in its genetic code, transforming into a cancer cell. Unlike its law-abiding counterparts, this cell refuses to follow the rules. It starts multiplying uncontrollably, forming a mass known as a tumor. Just like a rogue worker causing trouble, these cancer cells can interfere with the normal functioning of the body. But that's not all. These rebel cells can also break away from the original tumor, infiltrate nearby tissues, and even hitch a ride through the bloodstream or lymphatic system to distant parts of the body. Now, there are different types of cancer. Just like there are different kinds of troublemakers in a city, each type of cancer depends on where it starts and how it behaves. For example, you might have heard of breast cancer, lung cancer, or skin cancer. Each of these starts in different parts of the body. The harmful effects of cancer can vary depending on where it is and how advanced it is. These rebel cells can invade nearby tissues and spread to other parts of the body, kind of like spreading throughout the city. This can cause a lot of damage and make the body really sick. Cancer can make you feel weak, tired, and can even interfere with important functions like breathing or digesting food. If left untreated, it can be very dangerous and sometimes even life-threatening. But the good news is that there are ways to fight cancer. Doctors and scientists are always researching and developing new treatments like chemotherapy, radiation therapy, and surgery to target and kill those rebel cells. And catching cancer early can make a big difference in how effectively it can be treated. So, it's really important to pay attention to your body and get regular checkups to catch any troublemakers early on. Let's explore the 5 most recent and groundbreaking discoveries in cancer research and treatment that are revolutionizing the field. First off, immunotherapy. What is immunotherapy? Well, think of your immune system as your body's defense force, always ready to fight off any invaders like bacteria or viruses. Now, when it comes to cancer, your immune system can sometimes use a little boost because cancer cells are tricky. They can actually sneak past your immune system's defenses and keep growing. So, what does immunotherapy do? It basically gives your immune system a superhero upgrade. It helps your immune cells like T cells recognize and attack cancer cells more effectively. Imagine your immune cells as superheroes with laser-focused vision, seeking out and destroying those sneaky cancer cells wherever they hide. Now, there are a few different types of immunotherapy. One type is called checkpoint inhibitors. These work by taking the brakes off your immune system, so it can rev up and go full throttle against cancer. Another type is CAR-T cell therapy. It's like giving your immune cells special weapons to specifically target and destroy cancer cells. Pretty cool, right? But there's the really amazing part: immunotherapy doesn't just attack cancer cells directly. It can also train your immune system to remember and recognize those pesky cancer cells if they try to come back. It's like giving your immune system a memory boost, so it stays vigilant and ready to defend you against cancer long term. So, why is immunotherapy such a game changer? Well, for starters, it can work wonders for certain types of cancer that may not respond well to traditional treatments like chemotherapy or radiation. Plus, it tends to have fewer side effects because it specifically targets cancer cells, leaving your healthy cells unharmed. Second is precision medicine. What is precision medicine? Imagine your DNA as a unique instruction manual that tells your body how to function. Now, when it comes to cancer, every person's tumor is like a fingerprint, it's unique to them. Precision medicine takes this into account and tailors treatment plans specifically to each individual's genetic makeup and the characteristics of their tumor. So, how does precision medicine work? Well, it starts with getting to know your tumor on a molecular level. Doctors analyze your tumor's DNA to identify specific genetic mutations or alterations that are driving its growth. It's like uncovering the secrets of your tumor's inner workings. Once they've decoded your tumor's DNA, doctors can then match you with treatments that target those specific genetic abnormalities. It's like having a customized roadmap for your cancer journey, with treatments that are designed to hit the bullseye and knock out those cancer cells. But here's the really cool part: precision medicine isn't just about treating your cancer now. It's also about predicting and preventing its return in the future. By understanding the genetic makeup of your tumor, doctors can identify potential vulnerabilities and develop strategies to keep your cancer in check long term. So, why is precision medicine such a game changer? Well, for starters, it means better outcomes for patients. By targeting the specific genetic drivers of your tumor, precision medicine can lead to more effective treatments with fewer side effects. Plus, it's opening up new avenues for research and discovery, paving the way for even more breakthroughs in the future. Third is liquid biopsies. What is a liquid biopsy? Well, think of it as a super sleuth detective investigating your body for signs of cancer. Instead of needing to take a piece of tissue from a tumor, a liquid biopsy looks for tiny traces of cancer DNA that are circulating in your bloodstream or other bodily fluids. So, how does a liquid biopsy work? It's actually pretty cool. Doctors simply take a small sample of your blood or other bodily fluids like urine or saliva. Then, they analyze that sample to see if it contains any fragments of DNA that have been shed by cancer cells. It's like searching for a needle in a haystack, but with the right tools. Doctors can find those tiny bits of cancer DNA. The amazing thing about liquid biopsies is that they can give doctors a wealth of information about your cancer without the need for invasive procedures. They can tell if you have cancer, what type of cancer it is, and even if it's spreading to other parts of your body. Plus, because they're minimally invasive, they're much more comfortable for patients compared to traditional biopsies. But here's the really incredible part: liquid biopsies aren't just for diagnosing cancer. They're also a powerful tool for monitoring how your cancer is responding to treatment. By taking regular samples over time, doctors can track changes in your cancer's DNA and adjust your treatment plan accordingly. It's like having a real-time window into your cancer's behavior. So, why are liquid biopsies such a game changer? Well, for starters, they're much more convenient and less invasive than traditional biopsies. Plus, they can provide more comprehensive information about your cancer, helping doctors make more informed treatment decisions. And because they can be done more frequently, they allow for closer monitoring of your cancer's progression. Fourth is targeted therapies. What are targeted therapies? Think of them as precision-guided missiles designed to seek out and destroy cancer cells with pinpoint accuracy. Unlike traditional treatments like chemotherapy, which can affect healthy cells along with cancerous ones, targeted therapies specifically target the unique molecular vulnerabilities of cancer cells while sparing healthy tissue. So, how do targeted therapies work? It's pretty amazing, actually. Scientists have identified specific genetic mutations or other molecular abnormalities that drive the growth and spread of certain types of cancer. Targeted therapies are drugs or other treatments that are designed to interfere with these specific molecular targets. disrupting the signals that allow cancer cells to grow and survive. The beauty of targeted therapies is that they're tailored to each individual's cancer, by matching the right treatment to the specific molecular characteristics of a person's tumor. Doctors can maximize effectiveness while minimizing side effects. It's like having a personalized weapon in the fight against cancer. But here's the really cool part: targeted therapies come in many different forms. Some are small molecule drugs that can be taken orally, while others are antibodies that are given intravenously. There are even targeted therapies that deliver chemotherapy directly to cancer cells while sparing healthy tissue. It's all about finding the right tool for the job. So, why are targeted therapies such a game changer? Well, for starters, they offer hope to patients with certain types of cancer that may not respond well to traditional treatments. Plus, because they're designed to target specific molecular abnormalities, they tend to have fewer side effects than chemotherapy or radiation therapy. And finally, artificial intelligence or AI. What is artificial intelligence? Imagine having a super smart assistant that can analyze huge amounts of data, spot patterns, and make predictions. That's AI. And when it comes to cancer care, AI is like having a brilliant teammate that's helping doctors make better decisions and improve patient outcomes. So, how does AI work in cancer care? It's pretty incredible, actually. AI algorithms can sift through mountains of data like genetic information, medical images, and patient records to uncover hidden insights and trends. This helps doctors make more accurate diagnoses, predict how patients will respond to treatment, and even discover new ways to fight cancer. But here's where it gets really cool: AI is constantly learning and evolving. The more data it analyzes, the smarter it gets. And because it can process information much faster than humans, it's like having a tireless researcher working around the clock to find new breakthroughs in the fight against cancer. But AI isn't just about crunching numbers, it's also helping improve patient care in other ways. For example, AI-powered tools can help streamline administrative tasks, reduce errors in treatment planning, and even provide personalized recommendations for patients based on their unique characteristics and medical history. So, why is AI such a game changer in cancer care? Well, for starters, it's helping doctors make more informed decisions, leading to better outcomes for patients. Plus, it's accelerating the pace of discovery, helping researchers uncover new treatments and therapies faster than ever before. And there you have it, folks. 5 recent discoveries that are reshaping the landscape of cancer research and treatment. From unleashing the power of the immune system to the dawn of personalized medicine and the transformative potential of artificial intelligence, the future of cancer care has never looked brighter. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating content. Together, we can conquer cancer and create a healthier, brighter future for all. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. This is your friend Gilo, signing off from Inquisitive Creation. Thank you so much for watching.